Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify for wholesale. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first what you need to do is simply get an integration that is for wholesale purposes, because if you head over to your product section, there is no as such option to incorporate wholesale. So search in here for wholesale and just wait for a couple of seconds until we can see this wholesale in Shopify app store. Head over to that. Now you will have various different, you can say, like apps that have solid rating and gonna provide you incredible services. So I suggest you download this Wholesale Gorilla, and this is really popular. You can see we can have various options in here for business to business channel with customer specific prices. You can see we have discount details, wholesale amount 15% off on the amount of purchase. So if someone is trying to do a bulk purchase, you can do this wholesale rates with them. And yeah, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.